Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm bringing you guys this makeup look here. It's inspired by Pride Month. I have tons of friends who are gay, lesbian, bisexual, all of the above. So obviously I have to pay a tribute. So this is what I came up with here. I hope you guys are excited for this look. I have more and more fun looks coming your way. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Rose. Just gotta throw that in there. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you guys want to see how I got this look here and the products that I used, then stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright, so we're going to start off with the P. Louise base. This is in the shade Rumor 1. Just going to put a little bit on my palette here. And as you guys see, brows are done. I just used my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil to just outline the bottom to just get the shapes to match a little bit. And then I filled it in with my Anastasia Brow Pro palette, and I used the shade Medium Brown and Soft Brown. I used the two darkest ones out of those two colors. And what I'm going to do now is just clean this brush really quick. I'm a little all over the place, you guys, and excuse my nails. They're not looking too cute, been a little rough. But we're still gonna get this video on and poppin'. So I'm just gonna take some of that base and then I'm gonna pop it onto the lid. And since this is gonna be a rainbow eye, like I literally just want to keep this on, I want to keep the colors just on the lid. So I'm gonna just kind of cut the lid, if you would say. Like I'm only gonna put the P. Louise base on the lid area. Alright, and I'm gonna be using 3 palettes. Gonna be using 2 Juvia's Place palettes, the Zulu and Festival palette, and then I'm gonna be using Morphe 35. This is the color one. This guy here. Guy. So we're going to be using that. And then I'm also going to be using, I may or may not use this Hot Pop color from NYX. It's in Hot Blue. So we shall see how this goes. Alright. Flat packing brush. And how should I do this? What shades should I? Alright, so I'm going to start with the red shade, and I'm going to use the red shade called Izafa from the Saharan palette, and I'm gonna apply this, just pressing it in right into the inner part of the eye. Okay, it's looking a little pink, so I'm gonna go in with the red that's in the Morphe palette and see if I can deepen that up. Alright. Okay. Then I'm going to keep using this same brush too. I'm just going to be cleaning it off as we go. I'm going to go in with the orange shade. And the orange shade I'm going to be using from the Zulu palette. feel like I want to put a white line over. So we're gonna try that. I have my cream paint here. Off the eyes, we're gonna move on to the face. Where's my primer? Alright, so I'm gonna use the Too Faced Hangover Primer. I'm gonna take 2 pumps of that. I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. I'm in the shade 310 Sun Beige. I didn't like this foundation at first when I first tried it out, but then I did, and I forgot the most important thing. My beauty blender. Going with my Bobbi Brown Instant Full Coverage Concealer. I love this. It's so hydrating for my under eyes, and I'm in the shade Sand, and a little of this goes a long way. And then for lips, I'm using 2 LimeCrime's plushies and Rosebud and Milk Tea, and then I'm going to use one of their Diamond Crushes on top. With this one is Cleopatra. So just put that to the side. I really enjoyed doing this look. I hope you guys did too. If you guys have any suggestions on other videos that you would like to see, please let me know down in the comment section. Also, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and do it. Just subscribe already. You might as well subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. Turn that post notifications on, which is that little bell. That way you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Share this video if you can, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah! Bye!